As humans, we're born to move. That mobility comes with a cost. Fossil fuels, batteries, hydrogen fuel sources all have problems. Batteries are heavy, they degrade over time, and every once in a while they catch on fire. Hydrogen, while it's abundantly available, you need a heavy tank or a pipeline to get it where you need it. It's been known to catch on fire or explode. FuelX makes a safe, portable, lightweight alternative. It's called Elaine. Solid-state hydrogen material that is perfect power source for things that move. Elaine is carbon-free power that is safe and convenient to handle and use. It operates at low pressure, doesn't blow up, degrade, or burn. It's not magic, but it is 5 times the energy density of lithium-ion batteries, and it's 2 times the energy density of high-pressure hydrogen. Elaine has been around for decades. The historical process required expensive aluminum as a raw material, and the process has been difficult to scale out of the laboratory. Other commercialization attempts have failed. This is where the FuelX team matters. These 4 founders form the core FuelX team. We have decades of experience in our field and are working together full-time to make FuelX a success. We are supported by key employees, diverse advisors, outside board members, and cooperative investors who are all engaged to make this company successful. We produce Elaine fuel using a proprietary process that combines hydrogen and aluminum without consuming lithium. This is a big deal. No one else can do this. FuelX has the process that makes Elaine economical and scalable. The Elaine powder is compressed and stored in lightweight cartridges. The second part of our solution converts the stored hydrogen in the Elaine into electricity. The Elaine system uses an Elaine cartridge instead of a high-pressure hydrogen tank to supply hydrogen to a standard fuel cell. This works with any hydrogen fuel cell. Our controller manages the hydrogen released from the Elaine. The fuel cell converts it into electricity. These lightweight power systems are perfect for things on the move. Things that move create Elaine opportunities: trucks, planes, people, and more. The Army has spent over a decade evaluating battery alternatives to lighten the load on our soldiers in the field. Elaine power systems reduce their carried energy weight by 80%. We have received 3 Department of Defense grants to date, and we have an Army contract to produce these systems and supply the fuel to the Army. We've also reached an agreement with Piasecki Aircraft to develop and flight test our system to demonstrate its superior safety and operability over explosive high-pressure hydrogen. We began this journey 4 years ago. We produced the first batch of Elaine in our laboratories in April of this year. It puts us on track to deliver MVPs early in 2023. From there, we anticipate a fast ramp to commercial volume to meet the Army and airplane contracts we have in place. To generate revenue, we will design, build, and sell Elaine power systems, followed by recurring revenue from the 100% recyclable and reusable Elaine fuel cartridges. We have a 100% domestic supply chain. We'll break even in 2025. We are currently raising a $2 million final seed round to complete our Elaine production and systems MVP milestones. Note that to date, 75% of our funding has been raised through non-dilutive government grants, and we will continue to pursue funding through our good relationships with them. In summary, there are 3 key takeaways. FuelX has solved the scale and cost challenges that have held Elaine back. The Army and the broader mobility market are demanding safer, higher energy density fuel systems. And third, the FuelX team is uniquely qualified to deliver Elaine power systems to the market at scale. And finally, as my fellow founders and most of the mentors have pointed out, sometimes many times, my presentations are not exciting. Do not be fooled. I may not be exciting, but I am excited about the future of Elaine and FuelX. Stop by upstairs and let's talk about it. I'm Greg Jarvie, co-founder and CEO of FuelX.